but
It's fine
the
at the start. Okay.
fine.
I mean,
After,
as a start, yes, definitely you will
yeah,
write a long code at the start. So it's fine. Don't worry
yeah,
about that. That will improve by time.
okay, okay, yeah. So the first exercise was fine, like this
Uh,
one. Enter your, I think it
gi-
was
give me give me a few moments, please, because
oh,
it takes
oh,
time to.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So can you tell me which exercise you're talking about at the moment? Before I start sharing
The
screen.
the one we just last class exercise,
Okay. So
the one
last
you sent me.
class we was talking. How many exercises were there?
There were
Because
two, right? There were this remember the ticket one, the
ticket. Yeah, the movie ticket one.
yeah,
Yes.
and then we had this one, the random number.
Okay. Yeah, I start to remember now. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. The comparison. This is
okay.
comparison. Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah, comparison. Yeah, those are the two you gave me. Okay, yeah. So here was okay. Like, see if I put let's see. Then I put the date. Let's say one. I think it was 10. Let's say 2017.
Mm-hmm.
Movie. I think it was the Imitation Game. I think from the 40K. So all this works fine. And then your card number, I'll just put 11111, and I'll just put 234 uh 5678
Mm-hmm.
pin 432. Yeah, then it prints the receipt, the date, order number. So just like what the thing asks.
Okay. But let me wait.
What is it?
I would like to understand from you. When you
Yeah,
okay, so there was a conditions that he ordered. So this RA come from where?
here this RA. So I took from his part of his name from here,
Okay.
and then I took the 234, which I took from these three numbers here. Just yeah, from part of his this one, which
Okay.
is what the thing asks if I'm correct.
Yes. And you already managed to hash that, and this is exactly the same.
Yeah,
Perfect. Excellent. Number of ticket
yeah,
is 4. Ticket price you
yeah,
already multiplied by 4.
yeah,
Quite excellent, actually. Okay. And
yeah,
can you let me have a look at your code, please?
yeah. This is my code
No,
from
no, go
here.
down. I mean,
Yeah,
go below. Yes, this is the sushi sauce should be down here.
yeah.
Okay, you already printed. Excellent, excellent. This is excellent. Okay. Um, name 1, name 2. Compare. So what is your issue now?
My issue is with the second part.
Okay, the comparison. Okay.
Yeah,
So
because if I put, let's say 4, 3, it's fine.
mhm.
Perfectly fine. Wait, let me better I just comment this and then or actually I can just not call it not comment. Okay. But and then if I put let's say I put 2 and 2, it's correct. It's fine.
Mhm.
But if I put a number that's less than 2 and 3, it it will display less than, and it will also display this else statement.
Mhm.
Yeah, that is my issue.
Okay. Do you still remember that we take something called else if?
Oh,
So can you try
right.
to use, instead of this if, right here on that line, else
Yeah.
if, with the same
Here.
condition here? Yes,
So
yes,
else if like that, but that's
with a
not
space,
a
with a space.
oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
So does it make sense now?
Hmm. Okay, but how come this makes that change?
So, okay, the difference between this code and your previous code is that
Yeah.
actually it's a big difference because Okay,
Mm.
this two lines will never execute unless
Mm.
this is not true.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so this must be false first. If it is not
Yeah.
false, we will never come here. We will never come here. Okay, so if we
Yeah.
never come here, it means that it means that we can never print that unless this condition is false. Not only that,
Yeah.
when you first put if only, it means that it will execute, it will test every if statement and start to take a decision based on that. So when you didn't
Yeah.
put else here, so he will test
Mm.
the first if, and then he will go to test the second if. And if the second if only become false, so he will come to print that. That's why he managed to print this and this at the same time.
Oh, okay.
But when you tied the second if to the first by putting else means that only if the first if doesn't work, come here and test here. So
Right.
okay, so you see here, he is saying it's less than, right?
Yeah.
So it means that this first condition is actually true. If it is
Yeah.
true, it will never come to this area.
Mm. Mm.
This is the beauty of else.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I still want you. It's a good exercise for your brain, and I mean you have to know that we. Do you know what the meaning of scaffolding?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is a technique that they use in most of the teachers know it who study teaching. So
Yeah.
scaffolding, what we are doing at the moment is we are doing scaffolding for skills of programming in your brain. So
Mm.
every time we are increasing a bit of knowledge and making you test it. But the point
Yeah.
here is that the more exercises you do, I know, of course, you don't feel so happy to have a lot of homework. But my point here is that um, I am looking at the big picture and the end
Yeah.
result. I want you
Yeah.
to really become strong. If you don't practice, I have seen that in many of my students before. Um, then they will become weaker. The more I add information to them, um, in advanced classes, they become they cannot really afford to solve the problems or even to find solutions for the programming exercises that they face. So that's why I try to push you a little bit now so that it become easier for you on advanced level. And that definitely will pay back once you start to appear with the knowledge in between your class members. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
So you will only then you will feel it that okay,
Mm.
you already passed that exercises. And you have to understand, so frankly, um, many of the students, especially, I mean, I teach IGCSE and many other students, and even college level and university level students. But the point here now,
Mm.
at that moment, at exactly now, we are only giving exercises that people who are in the secondary school taking. So it's not,
Mm.
I didn't raise you yet to the level of the university level. Of course,
Yeah.
that depends on the time. But what I want to say now is that um, it is not so, what we're doing now is not so advanced. It's still
Mm.
on the ground level. We are still,
Yeah.
although we are moving fast compared to
Mm.
other students. Yes, because you are somehow your mind ability allows that. So we are
Mm.
moving
Mm.
so fast. But of course, if you don't practice, even you are so smart also, it will be very hard. Okay, I will
Yeah.
not, I think you got my point here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let me share please, and then
Okay.
so the point that I am mentioning to you just now is that because I still wanted you to give it a try to solve that.
Mm. Yeah.
So will you remember to do it next time? It is on the class 7
Oh, what
exercise.
is this? Oh, class 7.
Yes, because at that time there happened a mistake and you couldn't solve or you didn't do the
Oh.
homework at that time. So I
Oh,
still
this
wanted to
random
have a look.
character. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sure, sure. Yeah.
Okay, good. And let me see. Yeah. Okay. You see here. Yeah. Mhm. This is the one that you have done, right?
Uh,
Yes, this is the one that you have done in the
yeah,
homework now.
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
good.
From
What
the
about
link you said.
yes? So what about that?
Uh, that wasn't in the
Yes, it's
link.
true.
Wait.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah. Let me open. Yeah, the slide you sent me. It just had those two. Right?
No, yes, yes, correct. You're correct.
Yeah.
So the point here that um, this is a scale for the earthquakes.
Right.
They call it Richter scale. So
Yeah.
we would like to actually um, enter. We would like to write a program to enter a magnitude on the Richter scale that can print
Okay.
a description of the damage that the earthquake will do based on
Okay.
the magnitude. So the magnitude is mentioned here,
Yeah.
and the amount of damage is mentioned here. So you need to write a series of if statements that will describe what will, the amount of damage that will happen based on the magnitude that the user will input. So you will take an input from the user
Yeah.
and test that input and then print out this kind of possible damage that will happen. Is that
Yeah.
possible that you can do?
I think so.
Okay.
Can try.
So can you see this? What should actually appear on the screen? So you will ask the user to input a magnitude on the Richter scale, and then he will put something for you, and then you will
Mm.
immediately print the damage equal, and you print that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will send you that slide immediately now.
Okay. So can I quickly go to the
Yeah,
task?
yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, do you want me to write it from scratch or copy and paste during the class?
You can copy and paste as long as we are in the class, and you
Okay.
can do it in a method, please.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Hey, wait. This is what this. So I'll take this. Can you send what it should look like, the
The
print
output, okay,
should look like?
sure. Yes, sure.
My system should output that I should print.
Okay, give me a second. Here is it.
Okay. Double, double has capital. Next double. Okay. Okay. How do I finish this? Is number two. Yeah. Okay. So are you there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, you need me to share my screen, right?
No, no, no. I'm seeing his screen.
Oh, you can see? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yes.
I thought after.
Okay, can you put 8.0?
Okay. Oh. So yeah, you're right, because it's not greater than or equals to. So wait, I can just do, is it this?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, let's do that. And like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me just try it all. Okay.
What if we put -1?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
And
that looks fine.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Let
I
me
think that's
then,
okay.
yeah. I will give you an exercise, but I would say if we have time at the end of the class, then you please can do it. If not, then give it to me the next class
Okay.
so that we can proceed. Let us close first now and we open again.
Okay.